Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be showing you how to do a monochromatic makeup look using copper colors, using like burgundy tones. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. First things first is I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to be using the NYX Brow Stylist as per usual because I hate change. Oh my god, I'm out. I don't even have another one. Oh my god. Okay, so this is going to be a fill in the bare spots kind of day, so let's really take our time to shape them. I did want more of a feathery big brow, but I think I still can't accomplish that using next to nothing. And then I'm just going to set it with my L'Oreal Brow Plumper because this does have a little bit of color in it, so anything to help the situation. I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I'm going to add some Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer under my eyes, my nose, and my forehead. I just take that over the eyelid as well, just to prime, and then I'll set it with powder. I'll then go with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, taking that all over the face and the eyelids. And then I will just bronze my face with my Milani Baked Bronzer in Golden. I'm going to go in to Colourpop Slim Fit and Makeup Geek Sidekick and take that through my crease. I like to wing it out just a little bit. And then try to keep the same pigment on the inner corner as I do on the outer corner. I'm then going to go in with this shade right here that I cannot remember the name of. I'm actually going to wet that shade to make it stand out even more. Inner corner highlight, I'm going to take a white with a goldish shift to it. On a more smaller tapered brush, I'm going to take a little bit of Colourpop Crisscross as well as Colourpop Facet, just to do the outer corners as well as the lower lash line. I'm just going to go about halfway under my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to take a nice brown, this one plus this one, which is Tiki Hut and Sidekick, both by Makeup Geek, and just take that on the inner half. Going back in with that beauty blender we used earlier, I'm just going to clean up underneath a little bit just in case it went too low. And then we will finish it off with some mascara. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm going to add more of a pop to this look. I'm going to go in with 20 something right here. I'm going to take it on my finger. I'm going to top off a little bit of the excess on the back of my hand and then run it over my lid. This is kind of going to give it a goldish sheen. You can see the difference. I would definitely recommend doing this before you put your mascara on. I'm going to fix up my mascara. I'll then go in with my Milani highlighter in Glowing. And then to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with the Morphe lip gloss in Gypsy. And that completes today's look. Okay guys, yes, so that completes this look. I hope you like this sort of monochromatic copper berry look. I feel like I've changed the name like several times, but the name will be in the title. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos. I upload every Monday and Thursday, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!